Hi there, everyone. Today we're going to uncover the topic that begs the question, what are bail bond cosigners responsible for? When a loved one is arrested, securing their release becomes a top priority. However, posting bail is often a costly and stressful process. In such cases, bail bonds can help, but what happens when a bail bond company requires a cosigner? The cosigner's role is critical in ensuring the defendant complies with their legal obligations. Today, we will explain the responsibilities of a bail bond cosigner. The cosigner is essentially vouching for the defendant, assuming financial liability should the defendant fail to appear in court or violate any terms of their bail. This means that if the defendant skips bail, the cosigner may be held responsible for paying the full bail amount. In many cases, this also means that the cosigner needs to demonstrate financial stability, such as offering collateral or showing evidence of income to assure the bail bondsman of their ability to cover the bail amount if necessary. The primary responsibility of a bail bond signer is to ensure the defendant appears at all scheduled court hearings and complies with all terms of their release. However, the role extends beyond just this one responsibility. Here's a breakdown of what a cosigner must handle. Financial responsibility. As a cosigner, you are financially liable for the full bail amount if the defendant fails to appear in court or violates their bail conditions. This can be a significant financial burden, especially if the bail is set high. Ensuring the defendant complies with court dates. The cosigner is responsible for ensuring the defendant attends all of their scheduled court appearances. If the defendant misses a court date, the cosigner must act swiftly to remedy the situation, which might involve contacting the bail bondsman and working with the legal system to assure the defendant appears before the court. Keeping the defendant in line with bail conditions. Beyond just attending court dates, a defendant must comply with all terms set by the court, such as refraining from illegal activity, avoiding certain people or places, and remaining in the state. The cosigner must ensure that the defendant follows all these rules. Covering additional fees. If the defendant violates any terms of their bail, the cosigner may be responsible for additional fees. For example, if the defendant misses a court date and the bail bondsman has to hire a bounty hunter to locate and return the defendant to custody, the cosigner could be held liable for the costs associated with the process. Working with the bail bondsman. A cosigner must maintain clear communication with the bail bondsman throughout the legal process. This includes updating the bondsman about any changes in the defendant's situation or behavior and working together to ensure the defendant meets their obligations. A reliable bondsman will guide the cosigner through process, helping them understand their rights and responsibilities.